Now, kids anthem. Okay, anthem time. You are within me. You are infinite. You are unique. My potential inside. You are the wings beneath my flight. You define me. My potential inside. Today I pledge with all my might, I shall achieve you, my potential inside. Yes, sit down. Shall we do our eye exercise? Yes? Close your eyes, everybody. Close your eyes. Sit in your places first. Close your eyes. Yes, relax. Smile. Don't open until I say. Smile. Smile. Relax. Yes, now you can open your eyes. So what you should do now? Open your eyes. See, you're going to rotate your eyeball from left, center to right. Come on. Left 3 times. Center, right. Left, center, right. Left, center, right. Okay? 3 times done. Now, up, center, and down. Come on. Up, center, and down. Up, center, and down. Up, center, down. And the third one is you're going to do a zigzag question through your eyeball in the eyes. Come on. Here, 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 and here. Okay, done. Now relax. Hello, Prisha. Good morning. So, show me your palms. Join it. Rub your hands. Rub your hands. Rub your hands. Keep it over your eyes. Like in the Tom position. Yes. Yes. Again, show me your palms. Rub your hands. Join it together. Rub your hands. Rub, rub, rub. Tom position. And keep it over your eyes. One more time. Your palms. Join it together. Rub it. Keep it in the Tom way. And again. Yes. So now close your eyes. It's for your relaxation. Come on, close your eyes. Until I say don't open. Close your eyes. Yes. Very good. Relax. Relax yourselves. Yes. Open your eyes. Have a deep breath. Yes, super. Let's go to your attendance. So, 2. Attendance time, children. Shai Sivanya.
Ma'am.
Okay, Pranav.
Ma'am.
Yes. Sai Priyan. Manasa. Very good. Jacinta Joy.
Here I am.
Very good. Prisha. Say.
Here I am.
Louder. Very good.
Here I am.
Yes, super. Shishant.
Here I am. Here I am.
Very good. Adarsh. Okay. Hiteshri.
Here I am.
Very good. Yes. Shall we start? So what were we learning yesterday? Can anybody tell me what were we learning yesterday? Yes.
1, 2, 3.
We were learning alphabets and numbers, right? Alphabets from A to E and numbers from 1 to 10. What are you all gonna do is take a notebook, take out your notebook.
Which notebook?
So write from A to E one time. Okay, write from A to E and for one time and show it to me. Okay, dears? Come on. A, B, C, D, E. 5 letters. Five minutes for you to complete from A to E. Yes, very good, Shai Sivanya. Very good, Pranav. So wait for your friends also to complete.
Hiteshri is not writing now.
Hiteshri, what happened, dear? Very good, Sai Priyan. So if you complete Hiteshri, I'll be giving you a big star. A big star. You good girl, please sit down your place and write. See, all your friends are completing it. Very good, Srishant. Come on.
Mom,
Yes.
I finished Manta.
Very good, Manasa.
Mom, I can't
Okay, you can go and have water.
Thank you, ma'am.
Welcome.
Ma'am and
Very good, Jacinta Joy. Very good, Prisha. So have you all completed, Pranav and Hiteshri baby? Have you completed?
No, ma'am. She
Yes,
doesn't
right,
have.
right. Trisha done, Prisha done. Satya Babu, what is the child name?
Nidulan, ma'am.
Okay, yes, super.
I need water.
Yes, you can, Jacinta. Hope you all have completed it, right? Yes. So can we remember the sounds of these letters? Yes. Can we recap the sounds of these letters? A to E. What is the sound of letter A? Yes. Very good. So what is the sound of phonic sound of letter B?
Thank you, Patan. Thank you,
Prisha, only telling with action and perfect sound. What about Shivanya? You know the sound and action, right? Do it.
So yes, you all learned that right already. Bah, bah. Very good. How about letter C?
We are taking
Good job. Very good. How about letter D? D?
On my dance, dance are not so far. See it play my drums.
Super, super. Yeah, so it would be great if all joins together. It would be great if all joins and sing together, right? So come on. What is the sound of letter E?
It's in the band. It's in the band. It's in the band. Like this.
Super, super. Wow, very good. Super. Next, 1 minute. 1 minute. Give me 1 minute. I'll be sharing you something. So can you all tell me a word that starts with these letters? Can you tell me a word that starts with the letter A?
Which A for?
No, sound is
A for?
apple. So B, B. B for? No dear. Any word that starts from the letter B.
B for ball.
B for ball. Very good. C for
Cat. C for
cat.
cat.
Cat. Super. Up D for drum. E for elephant. Very good. So yes, ma'am has something which you gonna match with. 1 minute. I'll share that. See, here I have certain things, right? So we are gonna match this with the objects, okay, that starts from that letter. So for A, which image will come from here, children? Which object will come?
Call out the child name one by one and check with them, not in chorus.
Okay. So this.
Others, please be on mute. If ma'am call out your name, you have to answer.
So yes. First is Pranav. What comes for letter A?
Apple.
Apple, right? Apple. Very good. Jacinta.
Apple.
No. For B. For letter B. B for which one will come? Bat, cup, drum. Which one come, baby? Bat. Very good. You are right. Super. Next is Hiteshri. Hiteshri. For letter C, which object will come from here, baby? We have cup, drum, and egg remaining. Which will come? Which one will come?
Cup. C for cup.
Very good. Super. Nidhulan. D for drum or egg? Nidhulan. Is Nidhulan there? Okay. So next, Sai Priyan.
Next answer.
So yes, which one will come for D? Drum or egg?
Ada solunga. Name. What is its name?
Drum. Next is Prisha. E for?
E for?
Egg. Very good. Super. We all have learned one word that starts from A, B, C, D, E. Right? Now what are you all gonna do is, so you have written the letters from A to E in your notebook, right? Now I'm going to tell the letter randomly. you are going to circle it. Okay, you are going to correctly recognize and circle it. I hope all have completed it, right? So randomly I'll tell a letter, you are going to circle it. So parents, monitor them. If they have not, if they are not recognizing the letter, please mention it separately. Take a snap of it and share it to us. Yes. So letter E. Here starts. Letter E. Where is letter E? So have you all circled?
Excuse me, ma'am. Where should we do it?
In the notebook that they have completed already, right? Little before.
Yeah. Okay. I should circle it.
Circle your E that you have completed. Very good, Manasa. Next is letter B. B. So everybody please turn on your cameras. B.
Done.
Very good. Letter A. 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 Done, right? Super. Super, Mansa. A. Super. Next is letter C. Very good, very good. So what else letter is still remaining? Have you all completed? Have you all covered all the letters? Yes. Have you circled all the 5 letters? Or still 1 or 2 are there? E is there. Super, super. I missed E only. I want you people to recognize what letter is that. Super. E. Very good. Super, done. I hope you all have done it correctly. If not, parents, make a note of it. And yes, share that thing with us. Next is next 5 letters. Are you all ready? Super, super. Those have completed. Very nice. Next 5 letters. So A, B, C, D, right? A, B, C, D, E. We have completed. What comes after E?
What is letter E? Sai Shivanya is telling, but her mic on mute.
Yes. What? F. Yes. E, F, G, H. F, G, H, I, J. You're going to learn the J today. 1 minute. Next letter is what? Letter F, right? For F, one standing line, only 2 sleeping lines. One at the top. Sorry, 1 minute. One standing line, 2 sleeping lines, one at the top, one at the middle. Okay, this is our capital F. Capital F. Let's write this F in the 4 lines. Start from the first line. Put the standing line till the 3rd line. Then 2 sleeping lines. One at the first line and one at the middle line. Come on, write F. Write F, children. Letter F. Alphabet F. Simple, simple. One standing line and two sleeping lines. That's it. Hope you all have completed. Shall we move to the next letter? What comes next?
G.
Very good. So yes, be on mute. Next is G. Listen here. To G, first put a curve. C pattern. That is right curve. Okay. Then don't end it here. Yes. Drag the end till here. Okay. Now you got one curve like this. After that, put one sleeping line. Continuously a standing line. Okay, from the end point of the sleeping line. Now you got your G. Okay, let's see how to write this G in the 4 lines. Start from here, touch the first line, come till the third line, come here till the second line. Yes, see, pull the end of the curve till the second line and then put a sleeping line here like this. And continuously a standing line from the end of that sleeping line. Now you got letter G. Come on, write. Capital G. Capital G. Jacinta have completed it. Very good. Letter G. One curve, one sleeping line, one standing line is our capital G. G. Right? So next, Shishant, what comes next to G? What letter comes next to G? H. Very good. Hope all have completed till G. Next is H. For H, put one standing line, one more standing line, one sleeping line. Don't get confused with A and H patterns. For A, two slanting lines and one sleeping line. For H, two standing line and one sleeping line. One standing line, one more standing line, one sleeping line. It's too easy, right? Try writing it by on your own. Okay? Own. Easy. Two standing lines, one sleeping line. What happened, Hiteshri? Nothing, right? Yes, continue writing. You have completed till there. Very good. So please wait for other. H. Two standing lines and one sleeping line. F, G, H. Cyprian, what comes next?
சொல்லுங்க.
I. Very good. See, I is just, see, for H we use patterns, two standing line, one sleeping line, right? But for I, two sleeping lines and one standing line. So I'll tell you how. First put one standing line, two sleeping lines, one at the top and the another one at the bottom or at the end of the standing line. See this, the start point and the end point should touch the sleeping lines. Should touch the middle of the sleeping lines. Okay. Now let's write this in the 4 lines. See standing line as usual from the first line till the third line. Then 2 sleeping lines, one at the first line and then another one at the last line. I. Letter I. Super, super. I can see most of you have completed it. Right? I. Yes. Next is letter J.
Yeah.
Have you all completed I? Yes, right? It's easy only, no? Standing line, 2 sleeping lines. Hope you all have completed it. Yes. Next is letter J. For J, 1 standing line, 1 curve, 1 up curve. 1 up curve from the end point of the standing line in this way. Okay, after that, 1 sleeping line on the top of it. Okay, this is our J. See, in the 4 lines, standing line till the middle of second and third line. After that, continuously put an up curve. Okay, now sleeping line at the first line. That should touch the starting point of the standing line. Come on, write J. F, G, H, I, J. Very good, Sai Shivanya. Very good. F, G, F, G, H, I, J. Totally 10 letters we have completed. 10 letters. So, to get practice to these letters, what are you going to do is, write these letters for 3 times in your notebook and share. Okay, picture it and share it to us. Okay, dear? For all, this is as homework. Write these letters for 3 times in your notebook and share it with us by taking picture of it. Okay? So, see, F, G, H, I, J. Right? F, G, H, I, J. Yes? Yes, Manasa?
I drink water.
Yes. Sure. Everybody drink water. I'll be giving you 2 minutes of time. Okay? Sit in the same place. Drink water. Yes. Let's continue after that. All can have waters. If you want to use washroom, can go in this 2 minutes. So yes, I'll be giving you 2 minutes sharply. After that, we'll start. After this 2 minutes, none should play with your toys. None should eat something during the classes. Okay, without my permission, you should not do anything. Okay, dears? You can ask permission. Then I'll let you know whether it can be done it or not during the class hours. So yes, back. Are you all? 2 minutes over. Are you all back? Yes, hope. Let's start. Sai Shivanya, what letter is this?
F.
F. Very good. Pranav,
Yes, ma'am.
what letter is this, baby?
D, ma'am.
Very good. Next, Sai Priyan.
Yes, ma'am.
What letter is this?
H.
Very good. Manasa, what letter is this, ma?
I.
I. Very good. Jacinta, what letter is this?
J.
Very good. Prisha, what letter is this? Say no.
F.
Huh?
F.
F. Shishan, what letter is this? Very good. Hiteshri, what letter is this?
H.
Very good. Nitulan, can you give a try? Nitulan? Nitulan? Okay. So what letter is this, children? Everybody, what letter is this?
I. F. I. C.
I. And this one is?
I.
J for
J.
Jelly.
Yes.
I. F. I. C.
Yes.
come closer.
1 minute. Now, let's hear the phonics songs for the letters F to J.
J. J for check. J for
So E, right? That's here starts from F.
My friends have a language. Nobody wants to speak English. It's impossible to hang out. Check out
G sound. H sound. The sound of letter F is okay. See, keep your mouth like this and give like the air only has to come out. Fish, fan. Okay. Sound of letter G is g g g g g. G sound is of which letter? Letter G. G g grass. Okay, g g gun. H sound is what? H is the sound of letter H. Happy. Okay. Next is I sound. I sound is what? Ink. Okay. Inside. J sound is what? Jug. Okay. Jump. Okay, dears. So yes, very good. Now, English term is over. Next is maths. Okay, numeracy. So till where we have stopped in maths yesterday? What were we learning yesterday?
1, 0, 10.
1 to 1, 0, 10. So can you all take your notebooks and write from number 1 to 10 one time? Prisha, where are you, dear? Why is your camera off?
She is
Come on, see, all our friends are writing. No, come on.
See, everybody are writing, Prisha. Come.
So then I'll give star for everybody other than Prisha. Is it fine? Come on, let's complete from 1 to 10. After that, we can go and play with our toys. Come on.
Come.
Fast, 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 fast. Good girl, Prisha is. She will write. Don't force her. See? Wow, she got a mood to write now. Very good. Children, hold your pencil properly in the proper way. See, if this is your pencil, see, hold it like this. Hold it properly using the 3 fingers of your hand. Okay? Thumb, pointer or forefinger, and the middle finger. See, you have to hold the pencil with the help of these 3 fingers. Finished? Very good. Very good, Pranav. So for you, this smiley. For you, this is.
Thank you, ma'am.
Welcome. So wait for our friends to complete. Jacinta, have you completed? Manasa, where are you? You're there? Okay. Your face is not visible, so turn your camera accordingly. Hiteshri completed?
Yes.
Very good. This smile is for you too.
Ma'am, she will write 5 in reverse order. Reverse.
Oh, okay.
She always do like that.
So that's wrong, no? Then how will you give you smiley? You have to write correctly, no?
I correctly.
Yes, you correct it and show it to me, okay, dear?
Where's my answer? I got my.
See, practice number 5 for more times, okay? Very good, Manasa. This smile is for you too. So for Hiteshri alone, number 5 for 5 times. Okay? Tomorrow show it to me. No. Take a snap of it and share it to me. Okay? I'll check. What happened? Oh, what is your name? And what happened, Shishant? Why are you crying, baby?
You're not writing, ma'am.
Oh, okay, cool down. Don't cry. What's the problem? You tell me.
I'm scolding him, ma'am.
Don't scold, man. He's a very good boy. He will write. Okay?
Why you do like that? That's why he's crying, ma'am.
Don't cry, baby. Okay? Hereafter, if mommy scolds you, tell it to me. Okay? Ma'am,
Okay,
he's a very good boy. He will write. Write, baby. Okay? See, your friends are writing. Try writing it. Okay? I will be giving you the smiley for you too.
He's writing.
Okay.
Handwriting is not good. Then you want to scold.
Oh, okay. Then write it properly, dear. Write it properly. Very good, Sai Priyan. This is for you too.
Thank you, ma'am.
Welcome. Yes. So, Shishan baby, right? So, until you write it correctly and neatly, so I will not give this. Sit down in your place. So hope all have completed. Where is Prisha? Sai Shivanya, have you completed? Manasa done, baby? Have you completed? Very good, Sai Shivanya. This smiley for you too, baby. Super. Yes, very good, Manasa. Super. So then, Jacinta, have you completed, dear? Super, Jacinta. See? This is for you too. Very good. Right? So, Prisha, come back soon. Next is, you're going to count. I'm going to show my fingers, okay? Randomly. You're going to count it and tell me how many fingers that I'm showing. Okay, dears? So, I'll call your names one by one. You're going to count and tell me how many fingers that I'm showing. Yes. Hiteshri, how many fingers? Count my fingers.
Say loudly. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
5. Very good. Super.
6, 7.
5 only are shown. Okay. Yes. Next. Shishan. How many fingers?
How fingers? சொல்லு கவுண்ட் பண்ணு
3.
கவுண்ட் பண்ணு
இதுக்கு என்ன அழுவுற நான் fingers தான்டா காமிச்சேன். Come on. How many fingers?
How many fingers கேக்குறாங்க 3 fingers
3. Very good. Prisha, are you back? So have you completed writing from 1 to 10, baby? What happened, Prisha? What happened? Okay. Cool down. See? Prisha, how many fingers I am showing? Can you count and let me know?
1
Yes.
2 3 4
இங்க பாருங்க.
1 2 3 4 5 6.
Very good. Super. Excuse me. Jacinta.
4.
Very good. Manasa.
2 3 4 5 6 7 8.
Very good. Sai Priyan. Sai Priyan.
How many fingers? How many fingers?
1. Very good. Pranav.
Yes, ma'am.
Count.
1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10.
Very good. Next is Sai Shivanya. Sai Shivanya.
எத்தனை finger?
2. Very good. Super. You all have done a very good job. So bye. That's it for today. Okay. Keep practicing. We'll see you all tomorrow on the same time. Bye. Take care. Okay. Drink enough water. Drink plenty.